Happy Cinco de Mayo. Okay, so today's lesson for writing is going to be about writing a persuasive letter, planning out your letter, doing your brainstorming, and doing your final letter. So you will need to go here for your week's writing. Your assignment to turn in is going to be the brainstorming and the T-chart. Okay, so we're going to go to the T-chart first. If you go through all of this, this will help you practice what you need and develop your ideas. And then we're going to go to the opinion T-chart. Okay, so it looks like this in your packet, or if you are looking at it online. And if you need to write it in a notebook, you can create a T-chart like this. Opinion T-chart. Purpose: to ask someone to do or think about something. I forgot a word. To think about something. Topic or opinion. So I'm not sure what I'm going to write about, and I've listed some topics. And I wrote out my starter sentence just so I can help me think. So I want to go back to school. I want to eat at a restaurant. I want to color my hair purple. Now I need to think about, okay, which one means the most to me? And right now I am really missing all of you. And so I'm going to write about, I want to go back to school. Okay, I need to think about my audience, who I am asking or trying to convince. So for I want to go back to school, I need to ask my principal. If I had chosen to read about a restaurant, to eat at a restaurant, I would need to ask my family. If I had chosen to color my hair purple, I would also need to ask my family because maybe they don't want my hair purple. Okay, so I'm going to need to ask my principal. Who is my principal? My principal is Dr. Bell. So now that I have chosen my topic and who my audience is going to be, that means who my letter is going to be addressed to, now I will need to create my brainstorming ideas. So in the middle of your page or at the top of your page, somewhere central, you are going to need to write your topic. So my topic is go back to school. And then here are my reasons, because I miss my students, all of you guys, because it is hard to help everyone from home. And I also miss Miss Wanky. So let's look at miss my students. My students make me laugh. They make me smile. They are special to me. It is hard to help everyone from home. So, some have packets and some are working off a computer. There is not enough time in the day for calling everybody, and not everyone is always home. Some of you go to a tia's house, some of you go to a cousin's house, some of you stay with the grandparents, some of you go back and forth between parents. It all depends. Some of you stay with a babysitter. And then I miss Miss Wanky. She teaches math and science. I teach reading, writing, and grammar. Okay? But I can't help you with math and science. But I like the way she does it. Her students are mine too. I don't get to talk to her students except when we Zoom on Fridays, and I miss them too. And she makes me laugh. She's a very good partner teacher to work with, and I miss her making me laugh. So those are my 3 reasons. Do I have to include all 3 reasons in my letter? No. Can I? Yes. Now to write my letter. Okay, so in your letter, okay, my letter is to Dr. Bell. You have your heading. You have your date. I want you to make sure, if you're using notebook paper, to stay between the red lines. If you go a little bit past, it's okay. Don't go all the way to the edge. Now I need my introduction. I am writing to you because I want to go back to school. That is the reason why I am writing. Okay, my topic. going back to school. Now, my supporting details. Why I want to go back to school. I want to go back to school because I miss my students. There's my reason. They make my day fun and exciting with their smiles and laughter. They need me to help them learn. It is not easy to call all of them in one day. Some students are not home or don't have daily help for their work. At school, I would be able to help them all every day. Now my closing. So I think it is a good idea to learn at school instead. We can all work together to stay safe too. Because that is a very big concern of why we are not going back to school. Your safety and my safety. Now my closing. Sincerely, Miss Tyndall. So, what you will turn into me is going to be your finished letter. I also want to see your brainstorming, and I want to see your T-chart. Okay? Enjoy writing. I look forward to reading your letters. Remember to take a picture. You do not have to type it on the computer, although you can. If you have any questions, don't forget to call me. Zoom meeting Wednesday, 11 a.m. to 12, if you need help. And I will also be available Thursday from 1 to 2 on Zoom. Or you can just call me or text me. Love you guys.